How do we be in conversation? And how do we be in conversation where we don't even have to be courageous to be in conversation? We don't have to be braver to be in conversation. How do we have it be normal and usual and regular that you have a different idea than me, that we can have differences of opinions, and those differences of opinion and different ideas, I hear yours, you hear mine, it causes friction, which can be fruitful. And that is different than conflict. Friction does not have to be conflict. And if we invite that exploration of what do I need here, it doesn't mean I need to bail. It doesn't mean I need to run away. I'm still staying in conversation. How do we remain present with each other and respectful? Respectful doesn't mean I can't have any opinions myself. It means that I honor what you have to say and I honor what I have to say. And it doesn't mean, okay, we're going to agree to disagree. That often is an avoid statement. It means that I'm like, okay, I'm in this messy middle. You think differently than I do. How do we move forward with that? Can we have a little friction? Can we have a little give and take? It doesn't mean giving ourselves up. It does mean that ability to be respectful and together.